So the first thing you want to do is power down your phone. So the next thing you want to do is on the right hand side of your phone there is a pinhole, and you'll need one of these devices to actually eject the tray. So I'm going to stick this into the pinhole here, push it in, and it's going to eject. And once I take it out, you could see the orientation of the tray itself. So that's the tray. So once you have the tray here, you'll notice the labels. On this right hand side is the nano SIM, and on the left hand side is where the SD card is. Now when you take a look at this, there is only one way to position this, and you'll see there's the notch at the bottom for the SIM card. So this is the SIM card, and you'll see the notch that I have on this corner, matching it up with this corner right here. And you're simply going to place the SIM card there. And just looking at the reverse side, that is the SIM card. And also now for the actual MicroSD card. So this MicroSD card similarly only fits one way. You merely put it on and snap it in, and be very gentle because this thing is very thin. So let me just zoom in closer so you can take a better look at the exact orientation of the SIM card here. And that's the front side, and this is the reverse. And once you have this down, you merely just insert it back into the phone here. So I'm going to gently insert it back into the phone with the pinhole up at the top. And just pushing it in.